Cabin crew, be seated for takeoff. On today's flight, and it's my pleasure to work alongside a wonderful team of cabin crew looking after you today. Now that we're on our way, I'd like to offer a few suggestions to make your flight more comfortable. When the fasten seatbelt sign is switched on, all cabin crew and guests are required to be seated with their seatbelts fastened. At all other times, while seated, we ask that you keep your seatbelt fastened in case we have any unexpected turbulence. If you are using a blanket or a duvet, fasten your seatbelt over the top so we don't have to wake you when the seatbelt sign is switched on. This is a non-smoking flight. It is a criminal offence to smoke at any time on board this aircraft, including the lavatories, which are fitted with smoke detectors and alarms. The use of electronic cigarettes is also not permitted. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as some items may have moved during takeoff. At Virgin Australia, we're proud of our award-winning frequent flying program, Velocity. It's free to join, and you can earn points when flying with Virgin Australia and our partner airlines. Visit our website to join and earn points in this flight. Our on-demand in-flight entertainment system is available throughout the flight. Please take a moment to look through the Virgin Australia magazine, where you will find highlights of the audio and video entertainment available to you. When the portable electronic devices sign is switched off, you will be able to use large electronic devices until the sign is switched back on for landing. Handheld devices may be used throughout the flight. Before reclining your seat, we recommend you hold or stow your personal electronic device. If you drop your device at your seat, please avoid moving your seat and call a crew member. All transmitting devices, including smartwatches, are to be in flight mode. On today's flight, we are pleased to advise you that you're currently on board one of our aircraft offering the new Virgin Australia in-flight Wi-Fi. You can now enjoy the internet through your own personal device. Please refer to the in-flight Wi-Fi quick reference guide on your Virgin Australia magazine in your seat pocket for instructions on how to access the in-flight Wi-Fi. Finally, if there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please don't hesitate to let us know. We invite you now to relax and enjoy the Virgin Australia hospitality.